Hey, this is Mike for Licked, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix audio quality issues when working in Adobe Premiere Pro. One of the biggest audio quality issues you can come across when working with audio recorded on a camera or on location is reverb, room reflections, all that echo you hear in a recording. So let me show you how to fix that first and foremost. This is a recording I've taken actually from the camera's internal microphone, so have a listen. In Adobe Premiere Pro. You can definitely hear a little bit of room reflection, a little bit of echo coming back there, and it's not ideal. So again, we'll go into the audio workspace here in Adobe Premiere Pro. This will bring up a load of effects panels for each audio track. If you don't have this open, you just pop it down using this triangle up here, and you get access to all those good effects. And a great effect for removing the reverb is under Noise Reduction Restoration, and it's simply called DeReverb. By default, it's on at 40%. This is usually quite good. For this example, I'll take it down to 0% and slowly increase it as I play back the audio so you can hear the difference it makes. Hey, this is Mike for Licked, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix audio quality issues when working in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so there we go. That's pretty good, actually. Premiere Pro. So again, working in Adobe Premiere Pro. And then without the DeReverb on, in Adobe Premiere Pro. And then with some DeReverb right up to the high, working in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you notice the higher you push it, the more it degrades the quality of the audio. So the idea here is to find a sweet spot to reduce those room reflections, yet leave your audio intact. In Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's really tidied it up and got rid of a lot of the echo. So DeReverb is a great place to start. Other issues you can face include background noise, which I'll cover in depth in a future video. But for now, a great way to eliminate anything in the background that shouldn't be there is actually adding a noise gate under amplitude and compression. Go into dynamics and just then double click and enable auto gate. Here at -20, it should be good. I might just move that down a little bit so the threshold is -31. That's less aggressive. Hey, this is Mike for Licked, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix audio quality issues. So every time your audio is falling below the -31 dB threshold, the gate is closing, no audio is getting through. Great way of eliminating background sounds. So there we go. We've already looked at removing room reverb. We've looked at removing any background sounds using a noise gate. I'm also going to look at some EQ here. Under Filter and EQ, we'll look for the Parametric Equaliser. And here, quite simply, when I open this up, I'm going to click HP and add a high pass filter. The higher I pull this, when working in Adobe Premiere Pro, the more it sounds like I'm kind of on an old school tannoy announcer. I just want to put this around the 100 Hertz mark. And again, we'll zoom this back. Shouldn't affect my audio now. In Adobe Premiere Pro. But what it does do is it reduces any bass rumble, if you happen to be by a busy road or a motorbike zooms by, reducing any of the low end is going to get rid of much of that noise there. So another great way to essentially fix audio quality issues from any background noise. There is also one final thing that I can show you. The DeHummer is good if you have any hum, that ground loop hum in your audio. You can add this in. It's really easy to set up as well. You can choose from some presets. So if you know you've got a 60 Hertz hum or a 50 Hertz hum, most electrical frequencies tend to be at 60 or 50. You can test these and it will completely eliminate the hum. And another great effect to use is called the automatic click remover. This is magic. You just put it in. Basically, the default is pretty good, but if there's lots of clicking in your speech, heavy reduction could work, but bear in mind it will reduce the audio quality, and this will reduce that clicking from any dialogue in your audio. So plenty to bear in mind there for fixing audio quality issues when you're working inside Adobe Premiere Pro. You've got DeReverb for room reflections, dynamics, and most specifically the auto gate for just closing off when there's no speech so you don't get any other noises getting through. Parametric Equaliser with a high pass filter to get rid of bass rumble, any road noises, any hums that shouldn't be there. Most specifically focusing in on hums with the DeHummer, 50 and 60 Hertz for electricity, depending what part of the world you're in, and automatic click remover, those annoying clicks. Or another tip is simply to eat an apple before you speak, which will reduce your clicking as you're recording your video. Good luck with fixing your audio quality issues, and I really hope that this has helped. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. And if you'd like to license the track I used in this video or get other commercial music, head over to Licked.